So now our meeting is being recorded, and with that, let us begin our discussion for today's meeting.
Yeah, sure. Brother, how are you? Good?
Well, I am actually doing great. So once again, magandang araw to you, Kano, or in English, we say good day, Kano. So how are
Yeah,
you doing today, Kano?
I'm doing good.
Okay, are you excited to learn something today or to learn about greetings in Filipino today?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so that's great to know, Kano. Before we begin our discussion for
Uh,
today
la,
about using everyday greetings, yes, Kano?
can you show me the previous slide?
Oh, sure. So
Uh,
the previous slide is actually a greeting. So it's
yeah.
magandang araw or
Magandang,
good day. And
yeah,
yes,
sure.
yes. So today we are going to talk about the everyday greetings and even the responses, both the formal and informal, here in the Philippines or in Filipino. But before we begin our discussion, we are going to have an activity first. So our activity is named Greet Match. So here I have here a direction on what you are going to do. So
Mm,
here you are going to try to match each greeting to its appropriate context for from English to Filipino. So
English.
there are words here from English and you are going to match it in Filipino. Just try to guess. And you are going to write your answer in our chat box. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so that's great. So here are the words. So the first one is good day. So you can type your answer in our chat box.
Okay. Uh, 1
So what
second.
do you think is good day? Okay, I will give you 5 minutes.
D.
Is 5 minutes okay?
D. Yeah, D.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, good day. What's
And
your you are going to type it in our chat box.
yeah, I did. No?
Yes. So I am not yet seeing the answer in our chat box actually.
The chat one, right? Meeting chat.
Yes. The chat
Yeah.
box here in Zoom.
So the answer is D. Magandang
Okay, your
araw.
answer for good day is D. That's correct. It's magandang araw. How about number 2? Good morning. What do you think
Mm,
is it?
Good morning. Okay, the one I know, I will tell you first. Welcome. Number 9 is uh, Mabuhay.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, that's right. How
Right?
about good morning?
Good morning. Magandang umaga.
Oh, that's correct. I think that you already know a lot of greetings here in the Philippines. How about good noon? Let's try good noon if you could guess it right.
Good none. Okay.
Yes.
Mm, no idea about this one.
Okay, no idea for good
Yeah.
noon. Just try to guess. Is it magandang gabi or magandang tanghali or magandang hapon?
Okay. I will go with the hapon.
Okay, so actually good noon is magandang tanghali.
Bengali.
Later on we are
Okay.
going to discuss about it. We are going to discuss further. How about number 4? Good afternoon. Is it magandang gabi or magandang hapon?
So is it in the same good noon and good afternoon? No?
Good noon and good afternoon are actually different based on the time, but later on we are going to discuss. So for now, let's just try to know how far you knew about the Filipino greetings, and we will try to assess what are the things that we could improve or what are the things that I could give more inputs about.
Hmm.
Yeah. So how about good afternoon? What's your guess? Is it magandang gabi or magandang hapon?
Mm, Gabi,
Okay, so
no?
later on, you will knew if it's really magandang gabi. How about for good evening?
Hapon.
How about for goodbye? Is it
Okay.
paalam
Palam.
or mabuhay?
Palam, palam.
Okay, so thank you so much, Kano, for your um participation in our guessing game. So now let us proceed. And by the way, great job for doing well because you have answered some of the words correctly, right? So now let's
Yeah.
proceed to our discussion.
You know, Mabuhai, I
When
use
we
now
say,
this word. I use this word.
can you please repeat, Kano?
Sorry?
What did you say earlier? I actually did not hear it clearly.
Mabuhay, I use this word frequently at my workplace with my Filipino colleagues.
Oh, that's actually great to know because mabuhay is actually or it actually means welcome, and this word mabuhay, it is commonly used in welcoming audience or example in welcoming your friend during an event or even welcoming people in the country. So in the Philippines we say mabuhay or welcome to the Philippines. So here is our example. We are now going to use the word mabuhay in welcoming people in our country. Example is mabuhay, maligayang pagdating sa Pilipinas. Can you say mabuhay,
Mabuhay,
maligayang
Malingagay, Maligayang,
pagdating,
Gangayang,
maligayang,
Maligayang, Gayang, right?
yang,
Gayang, yeah.
yes, oh, that's
Maligayang,
correct.
yeah.
Pagdating
Pagdating
sa
sa
Pilipinas.
Filipinas.
Yes, Pilipinas, or in English, welcome, happy arrival in the Philippines.
Okay. So
Okay, the next
in the
one,
yeah.
yes, Kano, in the Philippines.
So the Philippines, like the native word you use is Filipinas, right?
Yes, in the Philippines, we call our country Pilipinas instead
Okay.
of Philippines. Yes.
Mhm.
So the
Good.
next one is magandang araw, which you have also guessed correctly, right? Magandang araw is good day. So magandang araw is used when you greet somebody at any time of the day. You have, I think that you have already noticed that I use magandang araw when I greet you, right?
Not yet, but I will use this from Monday.
Okay, so that's actually great.
And
So you can use this at any time of the day,
yeah,
just like
yeah,
saying good day. So here is
good
our
day.
example. In the Philippines, we call our teachers guro. So
Okay, good day,
can you
teacher.
still recall our first meeting that I told you when we
Oh,
when we want to say
respect.
something to somebody and we wanted to show respect, we use the word
Yeah.
po.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I
Yes,
remember that.
so here is the example. So, example, we are going to greet our teacher. We are going to say, "Good day, teacher." In the Philippines, instead of saying "Good day, teacher," we say, "Magandang araw po, guro." Can you say "Magandang araw
Magandang araw
po,
po,
guro"?
Goyo.
Okay, that's great. Magandang araw po, guro. That's great,
La,
Tano.
la,
Now,
Lai,
yes.
can I take the screenshots of the slides?
Oh, yes, sure. I can actually send you the file if you wanted to.
Yeah, send me on my email. You have my email?
Yes, yes. That's
Uh,
that's okay. Okay, I'll be sending you after our discussion, okay?
yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Kano. Now let's proceed. When it's morning in the Philippines, it means umaga. So if you are going to greet somebody in the morning or during umaga, you are
Yeah,
going to say magandang umaga. Can you follow?
mag
Magandang umaga.
magandang umaga.
Yes, magandang umaga. So, you are going to use magandang umaga from 12 in the midnight until 12 in the midnight until from 12 in the midnight until 1:59 a.m. So if it is a.m., you are going to say magandang umaga. Example, what time is your work? Is it 8 in the morning?
Yeah, 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, so when you go to work, you could actually use, instead of just saying magandang araw, you could say
Hmm.
magandang umaga.
Okay.
Yes, if it's morning, you could say magandang umaga. So here's our example. In the Philippines, we call friends as kaibigan. Can you say kaibigan?
Kaibigan. Kaibigan or
Ka,
kabigan?
kaibigan.
Kaibigan. Kaibigan. Right?
Yes. Friend is kaibigan. So example, we are going to say good morning to you, my friend. To you, it means sa iyo.
You means,
Sa,
right?
yes, sa iyo, to you. Okay, so
Okay.
example, good morning to you, my friend. We are going to say magandang umaga sa iyo, kaibigan. Can you follow?
So magandang
Magandang
umaga sa
umaga
iyo
sa iyo,
kaibigan.
kaibigan. Yes, that's great, Kano. Okay,
Yeah.
next one. When it's tanghali or when it's noon, noon time is during 12 or during our lunch time. So noon time is lunch time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so when it's lunchtime, instead of saying good noon, we say magandang tanghali.
Okay. Magandang
Tang,
tanghali.
okay, that's great. Magandang tanghali. Example, magandang tanghali po, guro, or good noon, teacher. Can you follow? Magandang
Magandang
tanghali,
tanghali po.
tanghali
Tanghali
po,
po.
guro.
Goyo.
Okay, that's great. Then the next one during afternoon. When it's already afternoon from 12:01 p.m. until 6 p.m. So before the sun sets, so we call it afternoon, or in Philippines we say hapon. Can you follow?
Yeah, but
Hapon.
yeah, hapon. But like, what was
Okay.
the time frame for the previous one?
Okay,
The
for the
no.
previous one, tanghali is during lunchtime. At 12,
Okay.
okay, 12
Yeah.
p.m.
Yeah.
is
Okay.
tanghali.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now for the hapon, we have here an example. In the Philippines, mother, we call them ina or mama.
Mama,
Ina,
right?
yes, mama.
Ina or mama. Okay.
Yes, so in example, good afternoon, mother. So we are going to add the po as a sign of respect to our mother, right? So
Hmm.
here, we are going to say magandang hapon po, ina, or magandang hapon po, mama. Can you follow?
So
Magandang hapon po,
magandang hapon po ina or
ina.
mama.
Okay, that's great. So that is from 1 in the
So
afternoon until 6 in the afternoon, okay? Before the sun rises, or before the
yeah,
sun sets, I mean.
sunset. Yeah.
Okay, now in the
But like
evening,
yeah.
yes?
But like so if I say magandang hapon po lai, this is also correct, right? If I use your name.
Yeah, that's also correct.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's proceed, okay? So for the evening, from 6 in the evening until 11:59 in the evening, when it's already dark here in the Philippines, from 6 in the evening, so we say magandang gabi. Can you say gabi?
Magandang gabi.
Okay, that's great. Magandang
Gabi.
gabi. Example, magandang gabi po, John. Just like your example earlier, magandang gabi
Yeah.
po, Lai.
Yeah.
Okay, good
Magandang
evening,
gabi
John.
po, John. Yes.
Okay, or magandang gabi po, Kano. Just like that.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now let's proceed to the other one. When we say goodbye, in the Philippines, example, our family will be going to another place, or or I will be going to school perhaps. So I will say
Hmm.
paalam, or it means goodbye. Can you say paalam?
Paalam.
Yes, paalam. So here's our example. If we say in the Philippines, mother is ina or mama,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So in the
Yeah.
Philippines, our father is called papa or ama.
Okay.
Yes, papa
So
or ama.
paalam na po papa.
Yes, that's correct. Paalam na po, papa, or paalam na po, ama, which means goodbye, father.
Okay.
Okay, you have questions
Paalam.
about saying
How to
paalam?
pronounce? How to pronounce this on the word? Paalam.
Paalam.
Paalam, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
The next one. Okay, now here are some of the things that we should remember when we greet somebody. So, in the Philippines, good, it means magandang. Just like the examples
Yeah.
earlier, right? So, magandang then
Hmm.
plus the time of the day. So, if it's a whole day or any time of the day, it means araw. And if it's
Okay.
morning, it means umaga.
Oh my God.
Yes. And in lunchtime, it means tanghali.
Yeah.
Tanghali. And in
Tanghali.
the afternoon, it means hapon.
Hapon.
Yes. And in the evening, it means gabi.
Gabi. Right.
Yes. So good plus the time of the day. Example, good plus day equals magandang.
Uh, yeah. Ayo.
Yes, magandang araw. How about in morning? Magandang.
Umaga.
That's correct. How about in noon? During lunchtime?
Tanghali.
Okay, that's right. And then in the afternoon?
Hapon.
Okay, and in the evening?
Magandang gabi.
That's great. But you probably also noticed that we have the goodbye. So when we say good, it's magandang, right? But there is an exception because when we say goodbye, we only say paalam instead of saying magandang paalam.
Yeah. Only paalam, right?
Yes, only paalam, not
Yeah.
magandang paalam.
Okay.
Okay, so do you have other questions about what we
How
discussed
about the
today?
when we go to sleep? Like good night.
Yes, good night. In the Philippines, we only say magandang gabi or what do we
Okay.
yeah, we just usually say magandang gabi and good night because
Okay.
evening and night is quite similar, right?
Similar. Yeah.
Yes, so we just say magandang gabi. Okay, so
Perfect.
now what Filipino greetings can you make, Kano? Can you recall some of the Filipino greetings?
Yeah. Magandang umago. Good morning.
Okay, magandang umaga, good
Yeah.
morning.
Umaga.
How,
Sorry. Yeah.
yes,
Magandang
just umaga.
ayaw.
Magandang araw means?
Good day.
Yes, that's correct. How about in lunchtime?
Lunchtime. Noontime.
Yes, noontime.
Magandang tanghali.
Tang. Yes, that's correct. How about in the evening?
Hapon.
In the evening, magandang
Hapon. Magandang hapon. Gabi. Gabi.
gabi. Yes, that's correct. And
Yeah.
in the
Gabi.
afternoon, magandang ha.
Hapon.
Okay, how about when we say goodbye?
Paalam.
Okay, that's correct. So now let's practice. Example, you bump into your father at night. How are you going to greet your father?
Mm, magandang gabi sa papa.
Okay, magandang gabi po,
Po
Papa.
papa. Okay, po
Okay, that's
papa.
great. It's po because it's a sign of
Pa- yeah,
respecting your
respect.
father.
Yeah.
Okay, how about this one? You go to school in the morning and you saw your teacher. How are you going to greet your teacher in the
Mag
morning?
magandang umaga po guro.
Okay, that's great. You are learning very fast, Kano, and that's actually great. How about this one? You meet your mother during afternoon.
During noon time? No,
No,
afternoon time.
afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yes.
Okay. Afternoon.
From 1 p.m.
Uh,
until 6 p.m.
is it hapon?
Yes, that's correct. So how are you going to
Okay.
greet your mother in the afternoon?
Magandang hapon po, uh, mama.
Yes, that's correct. Magandang hapon po, Mama. How about this one? The clock is at 12 p.m. PM means in the noon time, right? And you
Hmm.
meet your teacher in the hallway. How are you going to greet your teacher?
Magandang tanghali po, guro.
Yes. Yes, that's correct. Magandang tanghali po, guro. How about this one? You're about to welcome your friend who visited in the Philippines. How are you going to greet your friend?
Uh, Magandang
No, you're
welcome,
going to
right? For
greet your you are
welcoming.
going to welcome
So
your
for
friend, Ma.
for friend we use sa iyo.
Mm-hmm. To you, it means to you, and friend is kaibigan.
Yeah. Kaibigan.
Gan.
Kaibigan, right?
So
Kaibigan.
welcome means mabu
Uh, 1 sec.
mabuhay, right?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, sorry,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Welcome. Okay, yeah, welcome.
Okay,
Mabuhay.
welcome is mabuhay. So you're going to say mabuhay kaibigan. Welcome or mabuhay. I welcome to you my friend. Mabuhay sa iyo kaibigan. Can you say
Okay.
mabuhay
Mabuhay
sa iyo?
kaibigan.
Okay, that's great. Mabuhay kaibigan or welcome friend.
Friend,
Okay.
yeah.
How about this one, the last one? I knew that you could nail it. How about this one? You are done in visiting your friend and you need to go home. What are you going to say to your friend?
Goodbye. So, paalam
Okay, paalam
sa iyo.
ka.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Paalam sa iyo, kaibigan.
Okay, that's great. Paalam sa iyo, kaibigan. So, how do you find our lesson for today? Or do you have other questions, Kano?
No, it was perfect.
Okay, that's great. So, um, that is it for our lesson for today. As agreed, we are going to end for 30 minutes, right? So now
Yeah.
I will be introducing, I will be telling you our topic for the next meeting. It is about
Hmm.
introducing one's self, how you are going to introduce yourself to your Filipino friends. So in the next meeting, we are going to discuss
Hmm.
about introducing yourself. So are you excited for our next meeting, Kano?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so before we end, I would like to know if how you find our activity for today. Do you like having activities or more activities in the next meeting?
Mm, More activities like?
Like the first one in like the first one we do matching the greetings from Filipino to English, stuffs like that. Do you
Yeah,
like to?
that was good. Yeah. We can do one.
Okay, so we
Like
are
each
going.
day, each session, we can do one.
Okay,
One
that's
activity.
great. Thank you so much, Kano. So, once again, thank you. Or in Filipino, we say, maraming salamat. And what you are going to respond?
Mabuhay.
Okay. By the way, regarding that one, welcome in the Philippines actually depends on the context of what we are going to say. The first one that I introduced you, welcome, is mabuhay. But when we say maraming salamat, welcome or you're welcome means walang anuman po. Am I
Walang.
clear or you are a bit confused?
Uh, yeah, yeah, you're clear.
Okay, so can you say walang anuman po?
Walang anuman po.
Okay, that's great. So, before we end our discussion for today, can I ask you a favor if it would be fine to open your camera for our photo op?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Kano.
Yeah, no problem. 1 second.
Okay, sure. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, Kano, for being able to attend to our discussion today. And I am really happy that you are a fast learner, actually, and I am very happy that you're interested in learning Filipino.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay, so see you next meeting, I guess. And thank you so much for your time. Maraming salamat, Kano, and magandang araw sa iyo
Yeah, you too, like
or
magandang
good day to you.
ayaw sa'yo. You too.
Okay, so I'm gonna end our meeting today and have a great
Yeah,
day,
you too.
Kano.
You too. Take care.